Martin.
Cat's free.
No, Martin, automatic, no?
Hani arkadaşına gelmiş.
Gotta go.
Sen neyse ben değilse biraz şeften alayım. Ben de başladım.
Rein mit George kann man die machen.
Хорошая. Риба, риба.
That's so nice.
Riba, riba.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just put some more there.
Bye. White rice also.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3. Would you like we have service?
Yeah. Oh my God, careful.
Wow. Yes. Aslan parçası al bakalım. Dikkatli git.
That's amazing.
Yes, please.
Yes, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah, I'll fix it.
Okay.
Yes.
Clean here. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
The spicy chili.
Yes, this is spicy sauce. I take a little bit spicy sauce for you.
Yeah, that is actually though. It's spicy.
Gülüm.
That's so good. Just have to clean that up. Yeah.
You're happy with your
That was super nice. And they also do it. Also, it's like quite a special presentation.
ice cream.
Now eat. You like this kind of rice?
Hi. I love this bread ham. Very good. I'll experiment making this at home.
Okay, how am I gonna eat this? Okay, I will use. Like I'm not sure how.
Got a plate. You want to transfer it to your plate?
Yeah, that's a sure. And then maybe. This is spicy.
It's okay, spice.
Huh?
It would just be nice for some grilled chicken. The chilies.
I'm just saying that one is spicy. Okay, I will put you there. There. Then I can have this one should go out. Can I push it more? Oh my god. There. I'm telling you, this is very, very, very good.
Are you loving?
Huh? Okay, let me tell you, this is way better than the food we had last night. I think the food I had last night was, it was good because, but it's like, it was overdone, you know, like, it was just glue. And then, the fish was very dried up, including the shrimp. It was like dry, like overcooked.
How about fisken?
This one is very good.
Pila.
Delicacies via huna no. Men jeg vil lægge, hvor meget koster ris.
Jeg ved ikke, hvor meget et ekstra brød koster, men er det ikke også København?
But this one is very, like, I'm telling you, it's very, very, very good. It's like tender and the taste is really on the flesh of the meat. My only question is if do you know how to go home? And we're busy, we have to pack things.
I know everything.
Good. Did you check in already? Not yet.
Og var det morgen.
Also me, cake. It's like, it's so thin. But if it works, why are you using it now?
Ah, det bare irriterer mig, når jeg beder om chili og 2 gange, og det er ikke grønt.
Men måske det er den her, den chili.
Ej, de har chili deroppe.
You still got that big.
Oh, wow, but this is more warm.
But I feel like this is what I miss about in Denmark, right? The fish here, when you serve it, it will always be head.
Didn't we also get head in
One time, it was somewhere in
Macau?
yeah, but that's just like a season thing. And in here you get it like as is, right? And then that when they were in Spain and the fish was serving fish and everybody were like, oh, that's so, you know. But in a way, in Bilka, I see a lot of fish they sell with head, right? But because I got used of without head, it's like I don't want to clean it because it's such a hassle to clean the head. So then I will just look at the fillet or something because then no need to.
Adam istediği olacak.
I really wonder what is like. Does Turkey people actually respect cats? Like, there's so much those cats here, and I've never seen a dog. Have you seen a dog?
Everything's good? Nice?
Very good.
Very good.
Very good. Oh, sorry. If you got me, right? Can I have one more?
One more cola here.
Yes, please.
But
Thank you.
it's like there's a lot of cats but no dogs. No, I've seen dogs actually this morning.
But not wild dogs.
No.
Those human, they hate dogs.
Before.
Because they're aggressive.
Is it?
Yes. So we will hunt them and kill them. Like other countries normally do.
Well, in Philippines, we get cats, but there's more dogs than cats.
This is actually better than last time.
And cheaper. Is it?
Same price.
Mine is way cheaper. Do you think we get enough cash for this?
No.
So how much? What are we gonna do? Pay with card?
Anyway, let's see. We can also we also have to
I think we should just pay.
thank you so much. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Sorry for them. For the drinks.
Okay. Anyway,
We eat, we look at the finances.
like this is way better than yesterday. The food, this food. It was like totally dry, super dry, like dry.
The bread yesterday was very good also. It's difficult to compare. This one tastes better,
Than yesterday?
but the consistency of the other one was better than this one.
Really?
This is more to the thin side, the other one was more creamy, right? But the taste of this is better.
For me, what is it called? This one is more spicy now than yesterday. Yesterday was just really tomato taste. Anyway, so it's your friend's birthday on.
Friday,
What is his plan?
out of work,
And then after?
watch boxing.
And then?
What's that?
So what was that? I'm expecting that Camera will have
I was
some.
dreaming that.
He was dreaming.
I had a dream. But I got some nice blouses. Sometimes you also dream, but the dream doesn't come true.
You know, when we arrived in Denmark, right? We are family. So I think maybe I will see him around December.
Not like it's an obligation. So it's not like it's an obligation.
I have to say now I got so much respect with Turkish people. Like they're actually eating good food, you know.
The Turkish kitchen is the biggest in the world, bigger than the Chinese.
Because this, they go, for example, at work and they're like cleaners and all that. Somehow you just don't mind them. But in there's this Turkish husband and wife that used to be working with each other, right? Do you know why they stopped working? Down. Down. Okay, they used to be when did you know? You work. There's no phone, there's nothing, it's just he will really work, also the wife. So we really like him, like that couple we really like, and I become so good friends with them. The previous people is like they'll talk.
Pistachio.
Mm.
No.
Oh. Good.
Very good.
Good for you. I'm just gonna hide a little bit there. Then I'm gonna eat this. Oh, it's actually deep.
Oh, it's that. Sour?
It's not so sweet.
What is it?
You need to taste it. I cannot describe it.
And this is cheese. It's too warm. Take a big bite.
And then it's
Yeah, you think that one is good? Then times 10 it over here. Good one? Alexa said this is the best dinner we got here.
It's also because it feels like it's local. I think they're really big because even it got their name. It's so good.
Yeah, I'll do this one.
This is
Oh.
from the house.
Oh.
Turkish tea.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Very good dessert.
Yeah.
Very good. Very, very good. Thank you.
Ah, that's so sweet of them.
They open the meal very, very deep.
Very good.
yummy. Very yummy. Australierne er de stolte af det, vi laver, ikke?
Yeah.
Se lidt. Nej. De fleste, de tager.
The flesta girl. Shit, it tastes good. Also, this one actually really, really good. This one.
Ja.
Good choice, Martin. For stopping
I,
here.
I didn't choose. The seed chose me.
What are we gonna do with the rest of our money? Save it for next time.
Smart ass.
Do it for next time. You want to try this?
Nej, jeg er helt færdig med at spise.
Guys, tingnan nyo. May paano pa sila. Oh. Tea. Libre ng ano. Restaurant. Wild. Sometimes tea can be so good also.
I have to wait a little things to eat it.
That's what they're famous here, no? Teas. Those are the things I wanted to buy. Like original and all
I'm gonna
that.
buy it in Denmark. Start a niche. And a lot of them.
How's your life though? Since you met me, you had so much adventure.
Less, not more. Less adventure. And more adventure before adventure.
No. Where have you been traveling before you met me? Have you been in Asia before? No.
Philippines, yeah. How's it? God,
What?
how lucky are you?
Why? It's so good, but I gotta.
I cannot eat it either.
It's actually really good. Now it's on again. You really broke it. Then that means I need a new one. Who would have thought this place is actually serving so good food? And people are so nice. No? I like it way here than the last night.
Yeah.
Last night it was too feeling